In the sprawling, chaotic arena of the internet, a battle for attention is waged every single second, and in this battle, trust is your most valuable currency. So, let's be honest, if your email lands in an inbox and reads like it was written by a machine, devoid of any real personality or warmth, you're not just being ignored, you're actively eroding that trust. Every stilted phrase, every generic platitude, pushes a potential customer further away. It makes them feel like a data point, not a person. You're losing the relationship before it even has a chance to begin. And what about your ads? If they feel generic, like a template copied and pasted a million times across the web, you're not just losing clicks, you're burning money. You're shouting into a void, contributing to the digital noise that everyone is desperately trying to tune out. In a world saturated with content, good enough is the same as invisible. Your message gets lost in the endless scroll, a forgotten blip in a sea of sameness. The cost of that invisibility isn't just a lower click-through rate, it's a missed opportunity to connect, to persuade, and to grow. But here's the crucial truth. The game isn't over. The winners in this new era aren't the ones with the biggest budgets or the loudest voices. The winners are the ones who adapt. If your hustle is agile, if you're willing to learn, pivot, and evolve, you're not just surviving, you're still winning. The challenge isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. It's about understanding the new tools at your disposal and wielding them with intelligence and purpose. This is where the conversation about AI begins. Let's talk about the raw, unadulterated power of artificial intelligence. Its first, and perhaps most profound strength, is its ability to process information on a scale that is simply beyond human capability. AI can crunch colossal datasets in the blink of an eye, finding the hidden patterns, the subtle correlations, and the predictive signals that a team of human analysts might take months to uncover, if they could find them at all. It can analyze market trends, customer behavior, and competitor strategies with breathtaking speed and accuracy. AI doesn't just see the data, it understands the story the data is telling, giving you a map of the digital landscape that is clearer and more detailed than ever before. Next, consider automation. The repetitive, time-consuming tasks that bog down your team and stifle creativity. AI handles them effortlessly. It can automate ad campaigns across dozens of channels instantly, A/B testing thousands of variations of copy, images, and headlines to find the perfect combination for maximum impact. It can manage email sequences, personalize customer journeys, and handle routine inquiries, freeing up your human talent to focus on what they do best: strategy, innovation, and building relationships. This isn't just about saving time, it's about reallocating your most precious resource, human ingenuity, to where it matters most. And that leads to AI's third superpower: scale. AI can scale your operations at a velocity that was once unimaginable. A successful campaign can be amplified globally in minutes. A personalized experience can be delivered to millions of users simultaneously. AI removes the friction from growth, allowing a small, nimble team to compete with industry giants. It operates 24/7, never tires, and executes with flawless consistency. In the race for market share, AI provides the engine for exponential growth. It is the undisputed champion of efficiency, a force multiplier that can transform your business from a local player into a global contender. But if the story ended there, we'd all be working for our robot overlords. The truth is, for all its power, AI has a blind spot. It has an Achilles heel. And that's where we, the humans, come in. While AI can replicate and combine, humans are the masters of true, original creation. We win creativity and storytelling. We can craft a narrative that resonates on a deep, emotional level. We can tell a joke, share a vulnerability, or invent a concept so fresh and unexpected that it captures the world's imagination. AI can analyze a million successful stories, but it cannot feel the spark of a truly groundbreaking idea. That spark, that messy, unpredictable, beautiful flash of insight, is uniquely human. Furthermore, humans win trust through relationships. AI can simulate personalization, but it cannot replicate genuine empathy. It cannot listen to a customer's frustration and respond with authentic compassion. It cannot build the kind of long-term loyalty that comes from shared values and mutual respect. That handshake, that understanding nod, that moment when a customer feels truly seen and heard, that is the bedrock of a sustainable business. Trust isn't built by algorithms. It's built through consistent, authentic, human-to-human interaction. It's the currency AI can't mint. And finally, humans win with unexpected moves and improvisation. AI operates on logic and data. It follows the patterns it has been taught. But the greatest breakthroughs often come from breaking the pattern. Humans have the unique ability to connect disparate ideas, to pivot on instinct, to find a clever workaround when the prescribed path is blocked. We can read the room, sense a shift in the market, and make a bold, intuitive leap that defies logical prediction. This strategic improvisation, this ability to dance with uncertainty and turn a problem into an opportunity, is a skill that no machine can currently master. It's our strategic wildcard. So the question was never really AI versus humans. That's a false choice, a manufactured conflict. The real champion, the undisputed winner in the future of online business, is the hybrid. The real champion. Teams that blend both. It's the marketer who uses AI to identify a niche audience and then crafts a deeply personal human story that speaks directly to their hearts. It's the strategist who uses AI to analyze performance data and then uses their intuition to launch a bold, unconventional campaign that the algorithm would never have suggested. The future isn't about replacement, it's about collaboration. It's a partnership. Think of it as a division of labor. You leverage AI for speed and scale. Let the machine handle the heavy lifting, the data analysis, the market segmentation, the automated ad placements, the 24/7 monitoring. Use it as your tireless analyst and your infinitely scalable executor. Let it manage the predictable, the repetitive, and the data-intensive, freeing your team from the tyranny of the mundane. And you reserve your human talent for heart and empathy, for the irreplaceable. For the final 10% that makes all the difference. Your team provides the strategic oversight, the creative vision, the ethical judgment, and the emotional intelligence. They build the relationships, they tell the stories, they make the intuitive leaps. They are the soul of the operation, the ghost in the machine. So stop choosing sides. The debate is over. The time for hesitation has passed. The single most important decision you can make for your business right now is to pair up now. Start building your hybrid team. Start integrating AI not as a replacement, but as a partner. How do you do it? You adopt a mindset of relentless experimentation. Test fast, iterate quickly. Use AI to generate a dozen different ad headlines. Then, have your best copywriter refine the top 3 into something truly compelling. Use AI to identify your most engaged customer segment. Then, have your community manager host a live Q&A to build a real connection with them. This cycle of AI-powered generation and human-led refinement is the engine of modern growth. Don't wait for the perfect strategy. Launch, learn, and adapt in real time. This is the new paradigm. The future belongs to the augmented human. It belongs to the creative who can command an army of algorithms. It belongs to the strategist who can see beyond the spreadsheet and find the human story within the data. Let smart tech amplify human smarts. Let AI handle the science so you can master the art. Embrace this partnership, and you won't just compete in the digital age, you will define it.